Hello everyone. So let us see the topic MEMS, that is micro electromechanical system with respect to sensors and transducers. So what is basically MEMS? So we'll discuss in detail. So MEMS is nothing but it's a small integrated device or system which combine electrical and mechanical component, like it could be microsensors or micro actuators and signal transduction elements. So this is a combination of, we can say, all miniature circuits or miniature components, so which will be of electrical and electronics component, so where basically form to form as a MEMS, that is a mechanical system. So here this system consists of extremely a small part which range from sub micro to millimeter level and can be fabricated from few to millions of particular system. So small devices sub micro to millimeter can be manufactured, and it is available in very small parts also. That is one of the advantage here. And the elements of MEM interface with the electronics or non-electronic signals and often merge with the processing, with the sensing and actuating. So advantage here, we can interface with the electronics and non-electronic system. It could be a mechanical system, I can interface there, I can merge the signal, the processing can be done, and I can sense, I can do for actuation purpose based on the output signal. So all this can be done here. So MEMS is used to sense and control and activate mechanical process on the micro scale and functioning individually on the array. So here are the few advantages with respect to the MEMS. So basically the main advantages which you can claim here is it is a better stability and higher accuracy in the performance. So can be produced on mass scale, as I mentioned, because of the small sizes. So more number of devices can be manufactured in a mass scale. As these devices are available in very small size, they can be easily inserted on other application. Miniaturization can be done, so it can be inserted anywhere on the devices because of the size here. Compact integration and comprehensive functionality. So already I mentioned that even though it's electrical or non-electrical interfacing also can be done. That is another advantage here. Depending upon the requirement, the MEMS can be designed for a various signal. It could be a mechanical, or it could be optical, or it could be electrical, or it could be biological. For all this kind of system, so MEMS can be used here. Coming to the application, there are various applications: consumer products, process and manufacturing. This we found more in a process manufacturing industry. The MEMS are used more, and also in the aerospace industry, they also found more application over there. Automobile engineering and telecommunication engineering and medical field. So these are the few application area where the MEMS are used here. Let us see with respect to a block diagram, and we will discuss the MEMS over here. So this is a block diagram for MEMS, which consists of a MEMS package. That this entire thing is called the MEMS package, where the input signal will be given. So where the input signal, so this input signal will be received from a various source. It could be your mech system or electrical or optical. So could be our chemical also. So these are the input signal which is given for my MEMS package. This MEMS package requires a power supply over here, which you can see here, and this is the output. We'll discuss later. First we'll go in detail about the MEMS package. Looking into the MEMS package, it consists of a chips, IC chip, which can be fabricated with a suitable micro machining technique. It consists of various components like micro sensors. It consists of a micro sensing element, transducers here. So micro sensors are nothing but it consists of a micro sensing element, signal processing hardware within that. So these sensors are used to sense a different physical parameters such as pressure, temperature, force, humidity, sound. All this will be sensed using the micro sensor. And micro actuator, so this is a micro actuating unit which is be used here as an element that converts that electrical signal into the physical signal. If the electrical signals are present, it converts a physical signal. Example, micro switch, the micro valve, micro pump. So all this will be used over there. And coming to this signal conditioning, so all this will be converted to the signal, mechanical signal will convert to electrical signal, and it will be given to the micro actuator, actuating elements, transaction states, all things will take place. Because once we convert that non-electrical input to the electrical signal, and after that I need to convert back to once again to the same signal, so that the output can be given over there. If I am using any recording instruments here, the system will be interfaced, or it will be controlled, or it will be monitored. So all this will be done over here through the output signal. So this is regarding the MEMS with respect to a general block diagram application and advantages. So thank you.